Oh, look at all the squirrels. More over here too. I love to see it, hearing the birds as well. It's my spot right here. See, there's even more over there. You see that? There's gotta be what, 12, 15 over here. This isn't a little area. This doesn't count probably over there either. Oh! Look at them playing. So you got 4 over there too. Yeah, 4 over here. Just grateful. Grateful. Beautiful trees. I do wish sun would be out, but you know, I still gotta have gratitude for these now moments. Grateful I got to go out and hang out with family. Got to, you know, be away from here for a little bit. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Much love. Go out into nature. I'm telling you, it'll help heal you. Connecting to God's creations, not just beyond these artificial lights, beyond being on the fake stuff. It's not really helping. Realness, real life, right here is what's gonna help heal you. Real life experiences, like being in the present moment without fear. That's why I'm trying to learn is how to not be in the fight or flight. You know. Have energy, actually feel myself. Be present, have gratitude. Movement, hydration, blood circulation. You know, fasting can also heal the body as well. Let the body do its thing, you know. You gotta let the body try to actually heal itself. Much love.